Well, hello travelers. Today I got a very special one for you, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro Genshin Impact Edition. This is a hugely anticipated one. Let's wait no longer. Let's unbox it. There you have it. Now this is Smart Band itself, and I think this one is the Tartaglia figure here. And underneath it, we have the cable and the manual, and there's a surprise underneath it. Let's unbox it. Here you have the Smart Band itself. Looking from the front, there's not much different, but when you turn it this side, it's the mask the Tartaglia is wearing. And there's a customized color here, and there's also a symbol here. Now this is the charging cable, and there's a surprise later on if you use the charging cable. Now this is the charging coil, and another Type A to Type C cable. Not quite special, but you're going to use this one later. And this is the manual. Here, besides the manual, you have two pieces of stickers. They are quite appealing, and then you can stick them to anywhere you want them on, right? It's very cute. Now here you have a poster of Tartaglia. It's also very appealing to the eyes. Let's open it up. Now this is the biggest one. It's the figure of Tartaglia. Let's open it up. Quite big. This is the statue. I think it's a very well made, and the colors and the build quality is also very good. Now here is the magic connect point, because you're going to charge it here. Now this is the figure, the Tartaglia figure, and he's wearing a napkin. Actually, I'm just kidding, it's not a napkin. Actually, you can remove it like this and put his head back. Yeah, all right. Now the place it should be is under the statue, but I must warn you, it's not stick to the statue, so it will fall. So make sure that you put the whole figure on a table, so it does not fall apart, right? Stupid! And once you want to charge it, you just place it here. I'm sure anyone interested in this smart band should be no stranger to Tartaglia as well. It's also been with the travelers for 3 years now, since version 1.1. Besides Snapjaya, it can be found everywhere in Teyvat. Even in Spiral Abyss, his usage has remained between 20% and 40%. Recently, he also made a big show at Fontaine, fighting with the pet wheel of the Master's Master. I'm sure in Netherlands, Tartaglia will still be active as well. It makes sense that Xiaomi would choose such a popular character to collaborate with. Then comes this wheel, which is obviously one of the child's skills as a weekly boss. I'm sure most of you are impressed with his wheel, especially when you get instantly killed by it. As child's representative skill, it makes sense that it will be made into a PVC figure. Okay, this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro Genshin Impact Edition. If you want to buy this one, the best way is through Giztop.com. I'll see you next time.